least let me go get a couple reps in now.
I'll blur you out, Steve. Hunterina. Kathalina. Later I'll get Kathalina to film your girl Tamitha being Tamitha, but right now Tamitha's behind the camera. There's Emma. She is the girl. She is the best swimmer. She can flip upside down, all around. What else can you do a handstand? But Miss Winnie can do a handstand. Yes, she can. She is quite the gymnast. Oh. Do it, girl. Look at that girl go. Go, Winnie. Go, Winnie. Go, Winnie. You got muscles? Look at them muscles. They're bigger than mine. Hey, let me see. Let me see your mouth. It's awful red. What did you eat? Let me see.
Red heart meal.
Let me see. That's awful red. And what did you drink? A red one too? Orange one. I'm sure you can. I'm sorry, folks. I had to run away, so you didn't get to see that little firework that went off. It's heading in my direction. So. All right. I'm okay, in case you was wondering why the camera was a little wobbly there for a minute. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, that sort of stopped my heart for a second. I wasn't expecting that. like I'm in the trees.
Jojo, don't be scared, baby. Why are you scared? It's just loud noises, honey. It's fine. You're all right, baby.
Next year, I was so
Oh, yeah. Is this ours? Focus. Uh-oh. Oh, stopped the wrong way.
Where the collagen is. Cabinet, top shelf.
be a sweet boy.
Yeah. Let's put the flash on. The camera can't see me. The camera can't see me.
He got it from the shop.
What is going on?
So
Am I-
gave it to Ava.
Am I ghost? Oh, thank you. That's my
What
secret.
is? I'm pretty sure you guys need.
What's going?
Look nice and glowy.
Yes, Mom.
Now turn the light on again. We're on the hunt for a bracelet.
Now you can see me. Your girl Tamitha. Oh, wait a minute. We got some traffic coming through.
Oh, sorry.
People are saying their goodbyes. Like I'm gonna have to. We had to figure out what happened to a glow bracelet. It was a whole dramatic event, so I had to stop recording. Anywho, we're waiting for the neighbor to come back because we're gonna get some more. Oh, now we can really see Tamitha. Oh, the light is on, and somebody is home. Trust me. This is my hunter. So pretty. This is my hunter. She's so sweet. She's the one decorating my birthday thing for me. She's so sweet. And she cleaned my car. The girl detailed my car. It looks brand new, doesn't it?
Yeah.
She's such a sweetheart. We're about ready for some more fireworks. So I'm going to shut this camera down, wait for the fireworks, and then we'll boom away if I don't get scared. Like the last couple times I ran. All you see is me running with the camera. You don't see the fireworks. Oh. Yep. Do it one more time. That's pretty cool. That looks neat. Ah! It looks like a bunch of lights going around. Because I can't see you, I just see your lights. That is so cool. Oh, you were awesome! High five! Winnie Pooh! What? Oh, you should have split! Good job! You're talented. High five! You guys, remember, you owe me a lesson. But I gotta get a leotard, don't I? It's gotta be pink. And with white tights. Look, I can only see your lights. This is cool. We did a handstand. This is my bracelet. Who did a handstand? Winnie did a handstand? Oh, and what did Emma do? Oh.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you had a fabulous 4th of July. And thanks to everybody who watched today's video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's free. See you on the next one. Bye.